it is very difficult for a fighter pilot to pick up targets because the ground forces are fairly well camouflaged. And the main targets for the Air Force are the enemy tanks, guns, bridges, and communication centers. The next point which I wish to bring out, a very important point which the Air Marshal brought out, was close air support to the ground forces and close support. So I'll distinguish that. Air support by the Air Force is definitely a very potent system, and I must say the Air Force, Indian Air Force, has played a very big part. As far as support is concerned, we ground forces, especially the artillery, make the fire plans, and we put the Air Force in close air support fighter bomber missions onto the target. It is very difficult for the Air Force to pick up what is the forward line of own troops and what is the bomb line. Generally, the forward line of own troops is 1,000 meters from where we ask the Air Force to target the front line, objectives. So I have made fire plans. I am an artillery officer. All fire plans are controlled by the artillery, and we are in tandem with the fighter air controller or forward air controller. In my sector, it was Flight Lieutenant Sharad Savur, later AOC&C Southern Air Command as Air Marshal. But he was there with us, with our brigade. So I know exactly. Subsequently, I have been a brigade commander during the Kargil operations. Of course, I was on the Western Front, not in Kargil directly, but I have seen how fire plans are made and how we do the joint operational planning with the Air Force. So it's a very intricate task, and my hats off to the fighter pilots who come on target. They have a pull-up point. The FSC designates the target, and we keep shifting the forward line of own troops, which in our time was very difficult to pick up. As I now understand, that day, Vikas Bhatsawale, a very dear friend of mine, mentioned that probably you have now better navigational techniques. But let me tell you that the Air Force is a very potent arm. They are definitely not a supporting arm. They are a frontline offensive arm, and they are the ones who participate with the artillery in shaping the battlefield. So this is the point about close air support and the fighter bomber missions which we put on the fire plan and the task table. It is an intricate task, and I must say it was executed superbly on the Western Front as well as on the Eastern Front. I think our Indian Air Force pilots deserve special mention and credit. We are very proud of our Indian Air Force. Finally, I'll just say one point to the audience here. The ground forces rely a lot on the Air Force for carrying out long-term interdiction and short-term interdiction, and the tactical reconnaissance which is carried out, what we term in the Army as TACR missions. The TACR actually gives us what are the kind of enemy movements that are taking place in the hinterland. And TACR is very important for the ground forces as part of the information gaining system. As long as we are the joint services of the Indian Armed Forces, the Army, Navy, and the Air Force, I am from the ground forces, and I must pay a great tribute to our Air Force for the excellent task that they have been performing. Thank you very much, sir. I only have one question for you. How many pilots of ours were captured? Because the way the pilots were shot down, I do hope we also shot down a number of the Pakistani Air Force pilots. I in fact know Group Captain Dilip Parolikar personally. I was there for his book launch in Bombay. He was a guest of honor, and Air Marshal Joshi, let me tell you, has been an outstanding, brilliant pilot, an outstanding Air Force officer, and I'm proud to have know him, and I do meet him sometimes on the golf course. We are probably playing on delivering 4 balls. Thank you very much, sir, and thank you, TVR, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. You explained it beautifully. Exactly what happens from both the sides.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Vinkamal Kotra, sir. Vinkamal Kotra, sir. Unmute and speak, sir. Yes, sir.
No, I hope I am the last, because I am going to take your 10 minutes.
The group can go in, sir, is also there, sir. Yes, sir. Okay.
Now, you let go ahead and finish.
Sir, go in, sir. Yes. Group can go in, sir. Yes, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hi.
First of all, I feel very proud that I was also in the same squadron, one of the same squadron that you had served, 37 squadron.
Yeah, Black Panthers.
Black Panthers. And I'd like to know first, who gave you the name Panther Joshi?
Yeah, I was always called Joe Panther. This was Adib Banerjee.
Okay. Because when I first saw you in the school, you may not remember, I had just joined the squad. Amal Sen was CEO. You had come for some reason visited Adampur that and came to the squadron.
Yeah.
And I was told his name is Joe Panther. Panther. So I said, he's the original one of the Black Panthers. Anyway, thank you. Thank you very much, sir. And they're very wonderful listening to you after retired from the service. I don't really know why during the service, people like you with very war heroes and who were fought the wars didn't go around talking to youngsters. Even today, at this age, after retiring, when I hear your stories, I get charged up. Why wasn't I there in a hunter in 1971 that way?
Yeah, Deb, but whenever I was DEPCOM Corps, I did talk to all those people who came there at that time, and in fact, I had a good presentation by Nachiketa as well as by Chati. Both gave their own impressions about what happened to them as POWs. Okay. So this was one thing which I actually, brought it out, and I said it is a must for people to know, especially the younger lot.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, that's right. And anyway, thank you very much, sir. And another thing I wanted to bring it to notice that we have on 1971 war ops. We have a very good book on the Eastern Front. The one written by Jagan.
By Jagan.
Jagan and Sameer. But on the Western Front, we don't have any constituted book.
He was going to write one. I think Jagan was going to write one.
I was told Marshal Vikram Singh now will be compiling a book, or maybe all. But we also need, because mostly because it's a Bangladesh war, mostly Bangladesh is getting highlighted of 1971. Western Front is not so much highlighted, like even your Cham sector. I had made a painting on Cham sector, the Sukhoi going into action. But whatever happened in Uttalai and then Pathankot, Halwara and Adampur, I think was not very touched in 1971.
No, Adampur wasn't touched at all. I think this fellow, what is his name, Preeti Singh's son, he's writing it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He's right. I've given him a lot of information. He had come here and talked to us. So, I had also written my little write-up on what happened purely for my children, actually. I have not with the aim of publishing anything. Because I wrote about my basic history, about my great-grandparents. So it was part of that. What I've done, what happened in 71 and all that thing. I've given it to him. So probably he would add it.
Yeah, I need all this because I do a little bit of data collection, can say, research, you can say, for making a painting of my painting. And I'll definitely would like to make one of yours. Either maybe attacking Hajipir Pass or something. I promise you that may not be before December, but sometime later maybe.
No problem.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thanks. God bless you.
Okay. I think before Quatra sir, I think we have our Pathak sir also, sir. Briefly.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, sir. You can make a sketch of him, painting of. He is the first man to land that layer in MiG-23 aircraft.
Yes, I think it will leave it to him whatever he wants.
So that will be the proper oxygen, so that you can show his identity and glorify him by that way.
Yes, yes. Why not? Why not? It's an illustrious
collection of things also, he may be the first having so many memorable things, valuable things.
Of course, that is also there.
Yes, you want to say anything, sir? Pathak sir, about our Avinash
Yes, Joshi sir, thank you very much. It was honor to us by your giving such a nice story of yours, and we all enjoyed it, and we'll still enjoy somewhere in the month of August again.
Thank you so much.
So it's really, personally, I must thank you because you have been very kind to our group also. Anytime, any problem, I approach you for the advice, and it is readily available for me. So,
thank you.
So whatever thanks I give is not enough. It's more than
but
that.
You all are doing
for us.
No, but you are now, by doing this, I'm telling you, I am very happy about meeting so many people.
Yes, sir. You are the guiding force for us, the guiding force, the driving force for us.
We are thankful for all the three, sir. Pathak sir, Rao sir, and yourself.
Thank you.
Great people, three great people.
Yes, sir. Quatra, sir.
Sir.
Quatra, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm.
Hi, PPS.
Hi, Joe. In fact, so beautifully you have brought back the memories. And remember, when I came to Pathankot, I think it was in December 72, and spent almost 2 years in Pathankot. I was in 20 squad, you were in 27 squad.
27, correct.
But
absolutely.
we never got a chance. We never got a chance to exchange all these things, which you are so beautifully narrated today. And before I forget, you must go write down a book and bring it all these things about the Western sector. You have the flair and you have the experience.
Thank you.
Because I'm also writing down a couple of things for my children and for my grandchildren, for them to remember about my parents and my grandparents, because everybody was from the defense background. Now, coming to the FTW, I was pleased to hear about R.K. Bhalla, Air Commodore R.K. Bhalla.
R.K.
He was your instructor in FTW, and he was my instructor too. He was my instructor too.
How much did
the amount of hammering we got. I'm telling you, the amount of hammering I got, and late Derek Delhi, he got, and even if you remember Kuldeep Singh Jesus, he also got, late Kuldeep Singh. So, you know, in those days he was quite appeared to be frustrated, you know. He was appearing for the A2 and he had to do this task also, and sab gussa hamare par nikalta tha. And incidentally, it so happened, I think 3 years back, I was in MP Flying Club. His son came for the endorsement of one aircraft license. So मेरे को बोलता, sir, are you from the Air Force and all that? My father was in the Air Force. He was Air Commodore Bhalla. I said, पहले तो तू मुर्गा बन जा मेरे सामने. And thereafter, I got in touch with Air Commodore Bhalla, and very sad, we lost him.
He just passed away.
Just passed away.
Just passed away.
So that was so nice of you to bring back the old memories about our training part.
Yeah. I will never forget R.K. Bhalla.
And thereafter, our Pathankot days.
Yes.
And then what I remember last I met you was when you were AOC Bidar.
No, when we met in Mauna.
Yeah, correct. You were in high. You did high command, and thereafter you were the DS Air.
Yeah, DS Air, and then I came.
Yeah, DS. I remember having attended.
Yeah, then I came as DEPCOM Corps and met you.
And then as DEPCOM
College of Air Warfare. At that time, we used to come for the JOCAP.
JOCAP.
That was the time I came.
I can't recall.
Yeah, I came to.
I must say, your memory is much upper than mine.
This was around the year 2000 or so. Year 2000.
Year 2000. Yeah, I know 15 days JOCAP used to be on. I used to meet a lot of people here in Mao.
Yeah. That's the last time I met you.
Good. Yeah.
That's the last time.
In fact, I was very happy to know that the other day when I spoke to you and we shared a lot of things.
Yeah.
And since once I start talking, then I keep on remembering. That's why I said I will be the last person to talk. And that, especially Srinagar operations, nobody has brought out clearly about, I say on the whole, J&K operation, in particular Srinagar. What happened about those I'll say from 7th of December till 17th of December. I left Srinagar. I was told to fly back to Hathipet. I had gone a detachment to there from Chandigarh. But nobody has narrated those things. I don't know what type of history Air Force is maintaining. Although I got a call also and a mail that you write down all those things and send it to us, and somebody else is Air Chief is writing a coffee book or something, give a details, and I don't know whether it is hoax or somebody collecting data for his own personal gain. So I refuse them. I have not sent anything. I said now since I'm in touch with you, before I send anything, I will definitely talk to you. Because there are so many sensitive things which we don't want anybody to listen to.
Yeah, true.
So that's all. Nice seeing you. And but I'm telling you, as a sir, you were the very handsome, very, very handsome, and you are still handsome.
No,
so I'm telling you. I remember still you mentioned the picture Vijeta, because some of the shooting also took place in Pune. I was in Pune, 21 Squad.
Correct.
And hero was Shashi Kapoor's son, and he was a Sardar.
He became a Sardar, yes.
he was a Sardar.
Yeah, he was.
And your face and his face, more or less, if you can catch hold of the old movie and compare this photograph with that, I'm telling you, there is no difference. Because I did a couple of stories for that movie, and Govind Nalani flew with me to take the aerial shots in the train, and a special permission was they obtained from MOD by Air Chief Marshal Nimisuri. He was the AOC. So it was nice, old memories, and beautifully you have narrated the complete thing, and I have thoroughly enjoyed.
Thank you.
I personally compliment the JW Pathak and TBR, and your narration, I think, was beautifully narrated as well as projected.
Thank you.
Thank you, Joe. And thank you, everybody.
I think, thank you, sir. Thank you, Vikram Kawatra, sir. I think now
Rao sir,
I think, sir, but time is the factor. With the permission of our Joshi sir, we may speak. Otherwise, we can sum it up. I mean,
it is becoming very interesting.
yeah, baat kijiye. Okay, sir.
Joshi sir, you used to carry a black and the shining can during your Uttalite tenure. Where is that can, sir?
Yes, that cane I always carried with me.
Where is that can, sir?
It is lying with me.
Achha, then what Wing Commander Kawatra said, you were looking very handsome, sir. You were the most handsome officer in Uttarlite.
Thank you, CP. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir,
but I've become bald.
Sir, you used to wear a very beautiful uniform all the time. You were shining like a filmy hero.
Thank you. Oh my God, I tell you. But those were good days.
Sir, during your base commander days, our unit got that best radar trophy twice. One during that ISKCON leader.
Chatwal did very well. Y'all and Chatwal did extremely well.
Sir, and other during ISKCON leader Chatwal time, we got best trophy twice, sir.
Yes.
And sir, we are meeting after 27 years. We hope next time we will meet very soon.
Yes,
next month.
but courtesy Mr. Rao and Pathak and all that we are meeting now.
How is Gitanjali, sir?
He is fine, absolutely. They are going to have one more session. She is going to talk at that time.
Yes.
Not one, we will have many more.
Looking forward, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Thank you, Rao, sir. Thank you, Pathak, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I think now I think we'll end up this program with a beautiful message from our today's speaker, sir. I think many are now excited to speak, because of this scarcity of time, we are not able to entertain now. Definitely, we'll give us enough time next month when we take up the second session. Sir, yes, sir. Joshi, sir, if you were to give one single message to our youngsters or our warriors, what would that be, sir, to sum up the call? Your message.
You see, my message as such would be that, especially for the younger lot, because the older lot have already finished whatever they had to.
Yes, sir.
I believe in certain things, and that is that as a professional, people must understand that there is a distinct line between work and pleasure. There's a distinct line, and you can't afford to mix the two.
Sir.
Now, if you, like in my case, what I say is, I used to always tell the people, I said, see, we used to work 7:30, 1:30. So 7:30, 1:30 is one time.
Yes.
And 1:30, 7:30 is a different time.
Of course. Yes, sir.
So 7:30, 1:30 is a time when you are professional doing a job. Doing a job for whatever you're doing, whether you're for the defense forces, you're for the corporate sector, you could be anywhere. But the aim is that you are the professional there and you should do your job properly.
Yes, sir.
If you want this country to improve.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So that is
what you do afterwards is your own thing after that.
Yes, sir.
So now a corporate man, for example, he goes early in the morning, come back in the evening, he's got hardly any time for his family.
Yes, sir.
But he must remember that both sides are equally important.
Balance, work-life balance, sir. Yes.
You must have that balance.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The other thing is, be human.
Okay, sir.
The point which I mean is that which was a very relevant movie that came out in Munna Bhai MBBS about the Jadoo Ki Jhapki.
Sir.
What it means is that when you find somebody who is getting angry, or you are doing anything, or you could be anybody, you just quietly go and hug him. I'm not saying physically hug him if necessary.
Sir.
What it means is be human.
Sir.
And that is unfortunately what is missing today in our country also.
Sir.
We are just going getting angry about everything. There are times when you need peace also.
Yes, sir.
You must an understanding of the other person. Why is that other person getting angry?
Okay.
He must be getting angry because of some reason. No?
So, great, sir.
The question is, being human is another issue altogether.
Yes, sir.
I mean, my thing is that if a person can be all encompassed in one,
sir,
you'll be a fantastic person.
Yes, sir.
And that is what I've sincerely believed in, even as a senior officer.
Sir.
Whenever I was a CNC or whatever it is, my aim was not to put fear in people. My aim was to make people comfortable.
Okay.
They should be able to contact you. They should be able to talk to you freely.
So a kind of empowering them.
Yes, only then can you get to know the pulse of people.
Yes, sir.
You need to get the pulse.
Yes, sir. So
that is what.
Okay,
that
sir.
is my only message to people.
Sir. So thank you, sir. Definitely, once we are working, work well while you are working and enjoy when you are enjoying. Don't mix up the two, and be a good human being. Be human.
Yes.
So great messages, sir, which will definitely carry with us and for all the youngsters also. So thank you very much for your patient narration of I think more than 3 hours.
Yes, it's closing on to 3 hours now.
Yeah.
We should give claim to him.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you.
Yeah, so kind of you, sir.
Very much.
Yeah, so kind of you to share your enriched experience to us. And we look forward to your another session to learn a lot from you because you have a lot of things to share with us. So I thank all our officers also for having participated actively till the end for 3 hours. So I think it's a record of its own kind. So we never crossed more than 2.5 hours. So I thank our today's guest, Air Marshal Joshi Saab, then Group Captain Gohain sir, Brigadier Ajit sir, then we have our Karnik sir, then Kotra sir, and all other officers, and particularly our own brothers who have participated today and made this program a grand success, including our Pathak Garu. Thank you, sir.
Thank
So
you
nice
very
of you all. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Good day, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Good day, sir.
We'll continue, sir. We'll continue.
Yes.
To be continued.
Today is the best session.
Yeah, best of the best.
CP sir,
Best of the
CP
best.
Singh sir, good afternoon, sir.
Thank
CP
you.
Singh sir, good afternoon, sir.
Shetty Saab, how are you keeping? How
I
are
am-
you keeping?
I am keeping fine, sir. I am enjoying, and after listening your this today's webinar, I am really feeling proud of you, sir.
Feeling very young.
Thank you
Very
so
good.
much.
I am still young, sir. I am not left
Feeling very
yet.
young.
Thank you so much.
Feeling very
The
well.
few,
Sir,
the
thank you
proud,
very
the
much.
valiants. The
Give my
few, the
greetings to
proud,
family,
the
sir.
valiants. The few, the proud, the valiants. We are
Brilliant,
proud of
brilliant.
you, sir. And
Thank
the lesson you have given, being human, really, we are all proud of you. And I, on behalf of all, congratulate you for having celebrated the 52nd wedding anniversary.
Thank you so much.
Oh, thank you very much for that also, sir. A big,
That's
big
great.
bang. Cheers goes to you, sir, and your family, sir.
Cold
Especially.
coffee of crew room always resembles me, sir. When I used to go to your office, then you used to say Dharam Singh and all other MCs कि रमेश साहब को फटाफट जो है नाश्ता करवाओ and cold coffee. I tasted the best cold coffee in your room and during your this thing flight commandership, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Bye-bye.
Thank
So,
you.
thank you, sir. Thank you. It's a
Thank you.
wonderful session today. Thank you, Air Marshal Joshi Saab.